Top 5 Common Misconceptions about FHA Loans. Let's clear up the 5 most common misconceptions about FHA and conventional loans. Number 1. You may qualify for both FHA and conventional. When you go through the loan approval process, many lenders will just tell you that you are approved for an FHA loan. However, they may not let you know that you may also be approved for a conventional loan. Conventional loans have fewer associated fees than FHA loans, but they may require you to have a lower debt-to-income ratio. Therefore, it is important to speak to your lender to determine if you are qualified for both FHA and conventional loans and, if so, how much you qualify for with each. That way, you can make an informed decision about which loan you should pursue. Number 2. Lenders have their own minimum credit score. When using an FHA loan, it is important to understand that lenders have their own minimum requirements. Even though FHA sets a minimum guideline, such as a minimum credit score of 580, each bank has the right to choose its own minimum requirements. For example, ABC National Bank may require a credit score of 640. It is important to remember that just because FHA sets a minimum requirement doesn't mean that all lenders are using the same minimum. Many lenders have higher minimum credit scores such as 640 or 660. If your credit score is below this, you may find that you are not qualified for some lenders, but this doesn't mean that you can't get an FHA loan. You just need to find a lender that will do an FHA loan with a lower credit score. So be mindful that FHA has their guidelines and minimums, but each lender has their own set of minimums and standards. Number 3. Mortgage insurances for the life of the loan since 2013. Mortgage insurance is an important part of getting an FHA loan, and it's important to understand that it's a fee you'll pay for the life of the loan. Since 2013, that's always been the case, so things might be different if your family members got their FHA loan before 2013. After 2013, if you put at least 10% down, you only have to pay mortgage insurance for 11 years, but if you put the minimum required down payment, 3.5% or 5%, you'll have to pay mortgage insurance for the life of the loan until you refinance to a new loan or sell the house. When you close your loan, you'll be paying a mortgage insurance premium of 1.75% upfront. You can roll that into the cost of the loan, but that is what makes FHA loans more expensive due to the upfront mortgage insurance you paid at closing. In addition, you'll be paying a monthly or yearly premium, which is broken up and included in all of your mortgage payments. Even if you have 20% equity in the home in the future, you'll still be paying the mortgage insurance monthly. Number 4. Every lender does not have the same FHA rate. Every lender does not have the same FHA rate. It's a common misconception among first-time home buyers. The government does not set a one-size-fits-all rate for FHA loans. Each lender sets their own interest rate based on their business structure, profitability, and other factors. Don't assume that all FHA loans will be the same. Shop around and compare rates to find the best deal for you. Some lenders I worked for, they will intentionally price out their rate very high because their business portfolio doesn't prefer FHA loan. However, for some lenders, they are very aggressive in FHA loans and they give out very good rates, even a lot lower than conventional loans. And number 5. Why sellers may prefer conventional loans. Conventional loans can be a great option for sellers in a seller's market due to the better qualified buyers. When in seller's market, sellers prefer buyers with better credit and lower debt-to-income ratio, which are more attractive to sellers since they don't want to wait a couple of months and find out the buyers are not qualified. When it's in buyer's market, and it doesn't matter to sellers since they don't have too many choices choosing buyers, and they will take any offer as long as their buyers can get their mortgage closed. If you want to learn more and get more useful tips when choosing mortgage, please contact us or leave a comment in the description box. Or join our Facebook group Mortgage Made Easy, Ask the Professionals. Our mortgage professionals worked at Chase and PNC, and some mortgage companies over 16 years with tremendous experience. We welcome you, and look forward to having you join us. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.